to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a productive vlog, kind of getting into routine for the new year, implementing my healthy habits that I talked about in my goals video and my winter morning routine video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Definitely comment below how your 2026 has been so far. I'm just gonna make some breakfast. I've been loving Greek yogurt bowls lately, and then I'm just gonna get ready. I just got this new hair product from Unite that makes my hair so smooth. It's like an anti-frizz product. I'm gonna do a blowout with that today. Just got a bunch of cute new pieces from Princess Polly. Let's do a little try on haul. I picked up so many cute things. I'm actually partnering with Princess Polly in this video. Thank you so much to Princess Polly for sponsoring. Princess Polly offers afterpay and shoppay to all US customers. Everything ships from within the United States. You get free express shipping in 3 to 6 days on all orders over $50 here in the US. I also have a discount code. It's Emily Grace for 20% off. I love Princess Polly. They're one of my favorite brands. Let's get into the haul. Starting off with some accessories. I got these earrings, and these are so cute. They're like a really pretty statement earring. I love Princess Polly's jewelry. They have so many cute, fun styles. I also got this oversized scrunchie. I love the gingham and the brown like scallop details. I think it's so cute, and I think it'll be really fun going into the spring. I also got this necklace. It's just like this beaded black necklace. I feel like this style of necklace is going to be trending maybe for the spring. I've been seeing it everywhere. Just like a fun statement necklace. I never really wear a statement necklace, but I thought this would be really cute, even just with like a basic white t-shirt, maybe some bracelets. The shirt that I'm wearing, I absolutely love the style. I have this in a few different colors, and I love this brown and blue stripe. I think it's a really fun color combo. I just love the style. It's casual, it's cute, it's comfy. I just love these tops. They're so cute. I found myself wearing these tops all the time. Next up, I got some pajamas. Princess Polly has some really cute pajamas on their website. I got this red set. This is so soft and cozy. I love the material of this. It's like this really soft, flowy material. Here's what the pants look like. Just like these drawstring, relaxed, comfy pants. I would also wear these just like at home lounging with like a basic white tee. Here's matching top. It's like an off-the-shoulder style, and it's the same kind of soft, flowy material. The set looks really cute together. I also got these pajama pants. They're red stripes with this red bow. These are super cute, I think, with like a red long sleeve tee or just like a white long sleeve tee. They're super comfy and relaxed. These ones don't have pockets, but they do have a drawstring, so you can kind of like adjust the waist. They're just like good basic pajama pants that I can wear all year long, like a tank top in the summer, a sweatshirt in the winter. I know I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. I also got these lounge kind of track pants. These are really cute. They're like the perfect mix of cute and comfy. Casey Marie posted a picture with some track pants like this and a long sleeve tee, and it just looked really cute and chic. So I've been wanting a pair of pants like this since I saw her post. They fit really nicely as well, and they're like a soft kind of like lightweight sweatpant material. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing these a lot, especially working from home, maybe even like running errands. These are comfy pants that are also cute, so you could wear them out or you could lounge at home in them. I also got this zip jacket. This has been on my Princess Polly wish list. I feel like it's just a really cute style. You could make it look more cute and stylish, or you could just dress it down, just wear it in a more comfy way. Also, it would kind of look cute with the track pants. There's like 2 zippers, so you can unzip it on the top and the bottom and just kind of have it zipped in the middle, which I think looks really cute. Literally can't wait to wear this. This is also probably one of my favorite things I picked up. This really soft, thick knit sweater. Material is so good. I love the pattern and the colors, like the navy details. I like how it has a fun, festive, wintry print, but it's like neutral colors. This would look really good around the holidays, but also just like in the winter months. I literally love this sweater. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. It's so soft. I also got this striped sweater. I've been eyeing this also on the Princess Polly website. I love the baby blue and red. I feel like it's just a really fun, vibrant color combo. It'll be perfect going from winter to spring. It's just like this soft, stretchy knit material, kind of oversized, relaxed. The bold stripes are also very trendy, so love this. I also got this black turtleneck sweater. So many times this winter I've wanted a black turtleneck sweater. I feel like it just goes with so many different outfits. You can kind of dress it up, dress it down. It's just a really good staple. Like if you're going out to dinner and you want to look nice but you don't know what to wear, like this will always look good. I got this one from Princess Polly. I have this in a couple other colors. It's a soft material and oversized fit, just very comfy and classic. Once again, I know I'm going to be wearing this so much. I also got this charcoal gray turtleneck sweater. This one's a slightly different fit. The turtleneck is is more fitted rather than the other one is more slouchy. This is like a super oversized boxy fit. it. Once again, you could definitely dress this up or dress it down. I feel like this would look so cute with the slick back and like some statement earrings like the ones that I got. You could style this more comfy or dressed up. It's also just like a really good essential. This would be great on a really, really cold winter day. So I got the striped tee. This is like the only non-winter thing that I picked up. Princess Polly has so many cute sweaters right now, so I kind of went crazy with the sweaters. I think this will look really cute in the spring. I love the cream and brown. I just love neutral colors. I've also been loving brown lately. I think we're gonna be seeing a lot of brown this spring. Even like the shirt I'm wearing, it's kind of like a spring color mixed with brown. I love the style of this with like the buttons. It's kind of like a cardigan, but not a sweater. Lastly, from Princess Polly are these jeans. These are just a really good everyday jean. I love Princess Polly's denim. Some of my favorite jeans are from them. I can't remember the name of the style, but of course I'll have everything that I showed in this haul linked below in the description if you guys want to shop Princess Polly. These are a nice kind of like dark blue wash. I feel like this wash looks good with literally everything. I really like the style of these as well. They're kind of like a mid-rise, baggy, wide, straight leg. These are just like a really good everyday pair of jeans. That is everything I got from Princess Polly. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Definitely make sure to shop Princess Polly through the links in the description. You can shop everything there. You can also use my code EmilyGrace for 20% off. They have so many cute pieces right now. Like literally my cart was full. I had a hard time narrowing it down. Princess Polly is truly one of my favorite brands, and I love that they have fast and free shipping when you spend over $50 here in the US. And they have afterpay and shoppay, which is really nice as well. If you guys enjoyed this haul, thank you so much to Princess Polly for sponsoring. Now I'm just gonna run some errands. I need to go to Target. I have an ad to film, and I also need to get some groceries. Just met some subscribers at Target. Here's a little haul of everything I got at Target. Got some little pink tulips to romanticize my life and just kind of add some color and fun into my apartment. Some frozen spicy vodka bowls. I've never tried these, but they were on sale. Some frozen strawberries, some pitted dates, bananas, avocado, strawberry jam. These ingredients are all to recreate the Hailey Bieber smoothie. Some little colorful tomatoes. I love these for avocado toast. These cute little Valentine's chocolate chip cookies. I cannot pass them up. It's quite a bit later. I'm home from grocery shopping. I just put all of those away and put my flowers out. I don't think there's any better feeling than like everything on your to-do list checked off. Pretty much everything that I wanted to get done today is done, and that is such a good feeling. I even got more content edited than I planned. Now I'm just gonna do a quick like 10-minute clean. I feel like my desk is really messy. My bathroom counter is really messy. And I'm just gonna change into something cozy and comfy. Maybe my new Princess Polly sweats, like those little track pants. Setting my timer for 10 minutes. Don't underestimate a 10-minute clean because I feel like you really can get so much done. My apartment is looking much cleaner. Love doing that at night, then I can just wake up to a clean space and I feel so much more productive and motivated. Now I'm just about to make dinner. I got this spicy vodka sauce in a package from Thrive Market. Love anything easy and I love anything pasta. My pasta's done. Let's do a little taste test. It smells and looks so good. Wow, that is amazing. I think this is one of the best vodka sauce pastas that I've had, including restaurants. It's really good. I think it's actually better than when I make it like homemade. Amazing. 10 out of 10. dinner, I made this carbone spicy vodka sauce pasta. 10 out of 10 recommend. I got it from Thrive Market. I actually have a discount with Thrive Market where you can get 30% off your first order and a free gift. So I'll have that linked below. The kitchen is cleaned up. My bathroom and desk are cleaned up. Now I just changed into my new Princess Polly pajamas. These are so comfy. Now I'm just gonna do some skincare and actually probably go to bed early because I've been a little bit under the weather. I'm gonna use this La Roche-Posay cleanser. I've been using this cleanser for so long. I feel like it's literally lasted forever. Like, it's just a really good, simple, everyday cleanser. The Dr. Brant Gentle Microdermabrasion Face Exfoliator. So I haven't tried this yet. I got this in a PR package. I feel like my skin could definitely use a good exfoliation right now. Your skin barrier can become vulnerable, so not to use any actives like vitamin C or retinol. So we're just gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna go in with the glazing milk from Rhode. I feel like this is very moisturizing. And then I'm just gonna moisturize with this Pharmacy Honey Halo moisturizer. Lastly, we're gonna finish it off with this Loops face mask. I haven't tried any of their products before. That's my skincare lineup for tonight. Getting all the dead skin, which is so needed in the winter. Wow, it's really working. I actually really like that. I'm gonna have to work that into my routine. My skin feels so fresh and clean, and I feel like my skin looks, oh my gosh, wait, it actually feels so smooth. I've literally like never exfoliated my skin, and I feel like my skin feels so smooth. This is definitely staying in my routine. Says your skin barrier can be vulnerable after doing that, so we're just gonna keep it simple. Just gonna go in with this moisturizer. It's like a very thick moisturizer, and I feel like my skin probably needs that after exfoliating. Now time for the mask. I love these types of masks. They literally just feel so hydrating and they're just really fun to do. Also, I'm gonna FaceTime my mom because she thinks these masks are so scary.
So, that's scary.
Very cozy setup. I've got my lamp on. I've got my portable humidifier. This is from Canopy. I'll have it linked below. It's perfect right now because I've been getting over a cold. I've got my hatch on and then I've got my face mask. So I'll just see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. The sun is shining. My apartment is clean. There's actually nothing better than waking up to a clean space. I need to be better about cleaning in the evening so I can always wake up to a clean space because it just boosts my mood and productivity so much. Skin is looking so good. Seriously, you guys have to check this out. I FaceTimed my mom last night and I was telling her about it. My skin feels so smooth. I don't know if it's ever felt this smooth. Now I'm just gonna do some skincare. I'm loving the Rhode strawberry flavored peptide lip treatment. Now time for the best part of my skincare routine, red light mask. I'm trying to use this whenever I make my bed and just do some of my morning stuff. Time to go to 12 through 30. I only have like a couple pieces of activewear. If I go 2 times a week the rest of January, I'm going to treat myself to a new like workout jacket. I think that would kind of motivate me a little extra. Let's go to the 12 through 30. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not looking forward to it, but I'm trying to like romanticize doing it and like force myself to enjoy it. Let's go. Back from the gym. I don't know why, but I feel like it was harder this time than the last time. I was like struggling. I kept turning it down and then turning it back up and then turning it down and turning it back up. I'm just gonna make like a little breakfast smoothie. I'm gonna recreate the Hailey Bieber Air One smoothie. Literally, it just sounds so good and refreshing right now. That is so good. I think it actually tastes really similar. It's been a while since I've had the Hailey Bieber Air One smoothie. I'm about to make this like every morning. It's so good. Just got out of the shower. I decided not to wash my hair today because I feel like it's pretty much curled. I'm not really going anywhere. You guys know I love this Ambery Saffron perfume. It's from Dossier. It's an impression of Baccarat Rouge. I wear this like pretty much every day, but I feel like I always get compliments on it. It's just so sweet and smells so good. This Salt and Stone body wash. This is the saffron and cedar. It's almost the exact same smell. Like, you guys have to try this. It's so good. I'll have it linked below. I also got their lotion. I got a different scent because I had never tried any Salt and Stone products, so I wanted to try a few different scents. This is the Bergamot and Hinoki, and I'm just gonna get ready. I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup and then probably just like clip my hair back. Ready for the day. I'm wearing one of my new sweaters from Princess Polly. I think this one's so cute. It's really soft and cozy. It's like a really cold day today. Now I'm just gonna make a latte, and I'm also gonna make some homemade vanilla syrup. I can never find a vanilla syrup that I love, so I'm gonna try making one at home. And I watched a couple TikTok videos. This is really good. It has a really yummy vanilla taste. I don't like when it's too much of like a vanilla bean. I think I would definitely make that again. It was so easy. It's not too sweet, but it's just a little taste of vanilla. Now I'm just gonna make some avocado toast. I got some ingredients yesterday. Looks so good. It literally looks like a restaurant. The colorful tomatoes. The last thing I want to do is just a little mental reset and planning and digital organization. Digital organization is the main thing that I haven't really gotten to yet. This is like my little checklist of what I want to do. A digital declutter, an iPhone refresh, my Notion, kind of update it. I kind of showed this and talked about it in one of my other recent like New Year's videos. I still haven't gone around to actually fully kind of updating and organizing it and breaking down my yearly goals into monthly goals. Let's get started. I'm gonna set a timer for each task that I'm doing. I'm trying to make it fun. I'm gonna light a little candle. I just got this one from Anthropologie. It's vanilla peppermint and it smells so good. I don't normally like peppermint, but this is like a sweet vanilla peppermint. I did a little digital declutter on my phone, on my laptop. That honestly just makes me feel so much more refreshed. I had a bunch of random stuff from like 2022, 2023. I need to do a digital declutter every month, so I want to add that to like my monthly reset, which reminds me I'm updating my Notion. This is why I saved Notion for last, because I could just spend hours and hours and hours redoing it. It takes forever for each thing. My Notion is looking and feeling a lot more refreshed. If you don't know where to start with Notion, there's so many ideas on TikTok, different ways that other people have organized their Notion. A little bit later, I pretty much got everything on my list done. I decluttered my phone, I decluttered my laptop, and then I kind of like updated my Notion, mostly just focusing on my monthly goals. That's actually everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below something you like to do in January to just kind of reset for the year. Make sure to check out Princess Polly. They have so many cute pieces right now, including the sweater that I'm wearing, the shirt that I wore yesterday, the pajamas, like so many cute pieces. I'm gonna have everything that I got linked below in the description, and you can use code EmilyGrace for 20% off. Thank you, Princess Polly, for sponsoring this video. They're one of my favorite brands. I hope you guys enjoyed, and comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a week for my next one. Bye.